All right, it's windy out here, so I'm hoping that my mic with the windshield is gonna help a little bit with that. But anyways, I got so excited, I just have to show you guys. I've got all these broccoli and a couple of cauliflower out here. I've already harvested what I thought I was gonna get out of the cauliflower. I just got a couple of little tiny heads, so I thought it was all done. And I was coming out here to start taking these out because this is where my tomatoes are going to go, and I've got to get those tomatoes planted this weekend. And I come out here and look at this big beautiful head of cauliflower. This is the best head of cauliflower I have grown so far, and I am so thankful. It's beautiful. It's really a great size compared to the other ones that I got. Anyway, this is what we're having for dinner, or with our dinner. So just wanted to share that.